Welcome to Dorman Products Subaru key fob installation video. Before you begin, it is necessary to program the transmitter's 8-digit code into the vehicle. A label with an 8-digit number is located on the outside of the Dorman remote. Original remotes will have this code on the circuit board. To begin, sit in the driver's side seat and close all doors including the trunk. Within 45 seconds, open and close the driver's door one time. Turn ignition key from lock to on 10 times within 15 seconds. A chime will sound once. A buzzer will continue to sound, and the interior light will continue to flash until transmitter codes are completely registered. Warning: if you do not perform the previous steps within 45 seconds, an error will occur and neither a chime nor buzzer will sound, and the interior lamp will not flash. In this event, go back to the beginning and start again. If the previous step was completed in 45 seconds, continue on at the same pace by opening and closing the driver's door once. An electronic tone will sound for 30 seconds. Before the chime stops, press the power door lock button to lock the same number of times as the leftmost digit of the transmitter code. For example, press the lock button 2 times if the leftmost digit code is 2. When you have finished entering the number, push the unlock button within 5 seconds. Repeat previous steps for all digits of the transmitter code, going from left to right. When finished, push the lock button to unlock one time, and then repeat transmitter code input for a second time. When the 8-digit code has been entered twice, an electronic tone will sound for 30 seconds, or locks will cycle after the tone or cycle ends. Start the vehicle, then turn off vehicle. Remove key, open and close door. To complete installation, test remotes. If the key fob seems to not lock or unlock vehicle, start steps from beginning.